Step Up English. Take the next step to fluency.
Unit 10. Lesson 2. Grammar, possibility in the present and future. Good morning, everyone. Before we start, look outside the window for a moment. I ask you, is the weather sunny or cloudy? Do you think it will rain later? I listen to your answers and write some of them on the board. It may rain. It might be hot. It will be sunny. I tell you. Today, we will learn how to talk about possibility and certainty. Boys, sometimes we are not sure about things. Sometimes we are sure. In English, we use special words to show this. May, might, could, will. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to guess what may happen. Choose the correct word. Write your own sentences correctly. Lesson Objective 1. By the end of this part, you will be able to use may, might, could, and will to talk about possibilities. Now, everyone, look at the grammar box. I explain clearly. We use may and might could plus verb. When something is possible, but we are not sure. Examples. It may be dangerous. It might get colder later. You could get lost in the dark. We use will plus verb. When we are more certain. Example. You will see a great view. I say. Think of may, might, could as maybe. Think of will as almost sure. Practice 1, Exercise 1. Strategy used, think, pair, a share. First, you think quietly and read each sentence. Then, you work with your partner and choose the correct word. Finally, we share answers together. I walk around, support you, and give hints if needed. Assessment 1, Formative. I assess your work based on choosing the correct modal, may or might could will. Using the correct verb form. Clear understanding of meaning. I give quick oral feedback. Good thinking. Try again, think about certainty. Lesson Objective 2. By the end of this part, you will be able to write your own sentences using may, might, could, and will. Practice 2. Task. I say. Now, you will write 2 to 3 sentences. You write about the weather, a plan, or a situation at school. You must use at least 2 of these words. May, might, could, will. Strategy used, guided writing. I write 1 model sentence on the board. I guide you step by step. Then you write independently. Assessment 2. I assess your writing based on correct grammar use, clear meaning, correct sentence structure, correct use of modals. I give written or oral feedback. Challenge question. SDGs and 21st century skills. How can using predictions help us protect people and the environment in the future? Think about safety, responsibility, planning ahead. You answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Homework. At home, you will write 4 to 5 sentences about the weather tomorrow, or a school trip or outdoor activity. You must use may or might could will. Tones up. Now before you leave, I ask you orally. Which word do we use when we are very sure about the future, and why? Lesson conclusion. Well done, everyone. Today, you learned how to talk about possibilities, show certainty and uncertainty, use may, might, could, and will correctly, write clear and meaningful sentences. Remember, good thinking helps us make better decisions for the future. See you next lesson.
Step Up English. Like, share, subscribe.